Hey friends, today, my colleague Aaron and I are taking on the task of replacing a broken windshield. Follow our simple guide to make your car's view crystal clear again. Let's go. Step 1. Remove the old one. We use a special cutting wire called urethane cutting wire to remove the old windshield. Aaron pulls from the outside, and I pull from the inside. It looks simple, but trust me, it takes some effort. Step 2. Clean up. Remove the old adhesive and thoroughly clean the frame with a special cleaner, usually a glass cleaner. Step 3. Prepare the new glass. Unpack the new windshield and make sure it fits perfectly. Aaron usually measures twice, just to be sure. Step 4. Priming. Apply primer to the frame and the edge of the new windshield. This helps the adhesive bond better. It's like a base coat before painting. The ladies will get this. Step 5. Apply the adhesive. Apply a specific amount. The glue gun has a special dosing tip, so don't overdo it. Of special adhesive to the frame. This adhesive is sticky, like your ex at a Friday night party. Step 6. Install the new windshield. Carefully place the new windshield on the frame. Adjust it quickly before the adhesive sets. It's a race against time. Step 7. Secure and let it dry. Secure the windshield with clips or tape. Pro tip from us: we use painter's tape and let it dry. Patience is key here. Step 8. Final touches. Clean the glass and calibrate the city safety system radar. Now admire your work. You did it. I hope you enjoyed our windshield replacement guide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive adventures. See you next time, and keep your cars in top shape.